everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing a fragrance called Ginger Souffle, and this is an Origins fragrance. It smells fantastic, and there's a little bit of a sad story behind this fragrance. For those of you in the BeScented group, this was Lori Davis's one of her favorite fragrances, and she'd asked us to try and see if we could get it, so we got it. And then, as some of you may know, she passed away unexpectedly last year. And so I just kind of couldn't bring myself to test it. And as I was going through my samples of what I needed to test, I got it back out, and it smells amazing. So wanted to test it, and I've used it in soap, and I tested it in wax. It smells amazing. The official description, if I can find it, hold on. The official description is ginger root, gentle spices of nutmeg and clove, a little bit of black currant, apple and peach, some musk and vanilla. It just smells amazing, and it's super strong in soap. Definitely very strong. So it's fantastic, and it's nice. It doesn't accelerate, it doesn't rice. Behaves very, very nice for a fragrance, so very happy with that. So I will let you guys finish watching, and I'll bring you back for the cut. Oh, and if you're wondering, this is the new Pennies Mica from BeScented. It's really a nice brown. It's very versatile. I use it a lot. So I will be back for the cut. All right, and we're back for the cut. I let it sit a couple extra days, so that's why I had a little bit of hard trouble getting it through the cutter, but it's fine. Yeah, and for a simple test batch, love the swirls. I love the contrast. I feel like the brown was a good choice for ginger. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with this one. And as this soap went through the cure, the fragrance was very, very strong. So again, it's a great one for soaps, candles, wax, all of that. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing.